Hey everyone, this is Caitlin with WTI, and if you hate watered down iced coffee just as much as I do, you need to go get yourselves the 30-ounce Travel Mug tumbler. The double-walled vacuum sealed technology is legit. It is not a lie that how hot my beverages stay hot in this tumbler and how freezing cold my drinks will stay in this tumbler all day long. I also really like the twist on twist off lid. It makes me feel like my beverage is secure and it won't spill on me at any time. But I also really like the magnetic slider. It's super easy to use, and because it's magnetic, you can just pop it off anytime and wash it and put it back on. I also love the fact that this travel mug fits in my cup holder and it stays so secure that I never have to worry about it wiggling around and spilling on me. I also love the feature of the handle that comes with the YETI, so I don't have to just hold it around the widest part of the tumbler, and I'm also very klutzy. So holding it by the handle is perfect when I'm driving or walking around or walking my dogs. So I love this YETI tumbler, so will you. It makes my hot drinks crazy scalding hot and keeps them like that for the rest of the day. And like I said before, my iced coffees are kept so cold, unwatered down for the whole day, and I am never disappointed. And that is my point of view.